Okay, on the final page of the review packet, we want to write the slope-intercept form of the equation that has the given characteristics. So with number 4, we have a slope and we have a y-intercept, and so very simply we want y is equal to m 1/4 x, and then the y-intercept is 2, and that's all that we have to do for that. We're given all the information we need. Number 5, we have a slope and we have a point, and we want to write this in slope-intercept form. When we have a slope and a point, we're first going to write the equation in point-slope form. We have a point, we have a slope, we put it into point-slope form. So y minus y1, all right, y minus 7. If we were to label our x1, y1, y minus 7 is equal to negative 3/2, which is our slope, times x minus x1 is negative 4. So first we're going to simplify. Y minus 7 is negative 3/2 x plus 4. Oops, in parentheses there. Distribute. Negative 3/2 x. Negative 3/2 times 4 is negative 6. Y is equal to negative 3/2 x plus 1. And so we have written in slope-intercept form the equation that has the characteristics of a slope of negative 3/2 and passes through the point negative 4, 7. So this is problem 5 here, and this is 4 here. Now we'll go on to 6. With problem number 6, we have 2 points, so we're going to label them x1, y1, x2, y2, and first find a slope. y2 minus y1 for x2 minus x1. y2, negative 5 minus y1 of 1. x2 is 2 minus x1 of negative 2, and negative 6 over 4, which is a slope of negative 3/2. Okay, next thing we do, we write the equation into point-slope form. Y minus, let's just use x1, y1, y minus 1 is equal to negative 3/2 times x minus negative 2. Simplify. Y minus 1 is negative 3/2 times x plus 2. Distribute. Negative 3/2 x. Negative 3/2 times positive 2 is negative 3. We'll add 1 to both sides, and we end up with y is equal to negative 3/2 x minus 2. And that does it for the third example, or the third exercise here. All right, we'll go on to the last set of problems. All right, with numbers 9 and 10, we want to write the point-slope form of the equation with the given characteristics. We have a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of 3. So in this case, we're not given a point and a slope, apparently, but actually we are. Remember that the y-intercept is the point where x is 0, y is 3. So all we need to do here, we're writing in point slope. So for number 9, y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, plugging in. We have y, label our point, x1, y1. Y minus y1 is y minus 3 is equal to, slope of 2 times x minus x1, which is 0, and that's sufficient right there. We can go further. We can simplify that down to y minus 3 is equal to 2x. But in this case, I would like, it doesn't matter. Either way is okay. This could be your answer. This could also be your answer for point slope form. All right, the final example then. We have a slope of 2, passes through negative 3 comma 5. Here it's y minus, again this is number 10, y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. We have our 1 point, x1, y1, and y minus 5 is equal to slope, negative 2 times x minus negative 3, and y minus 5 is equal to negative 2 times x plus 3, and that is point slope form of the line that has a slope of negative 2 and passes through the point x is negative 3, y is 5, and that's going to do it for the problems in the review packet.